And the reason behind our move to Banner SaaS, we are an existing Ellucian customer. We're aware that the product that we bought, Quercus, over 20 years ago now, whilst an excellent product, is not for the type of institution that we are. So we've developed, we're now got university status, and we are approaching towards 15,000 students. So Quercus isn't the right type of product for us. Banner, on the other hand, is absolutely where we're wanting to move to. The fact that we've already got an established relationship with Ellucian as well, you can say it's warts and all, because we know the benefits, but we also know some of the negatives too. So it's not a frying pan and fire situation. So we can go in with our eyes open, aware of where we are and what we're wanting to do. We've also got established relationships with colleagues too, so that's really assisting and helping us to progress, hopefully with speed, so that we're in a position to be in the same place as Roehampton are right now. Fingers crossed. In terms of benefits with regards to our progressing with Banner SaaS, the standardised approach is absolutely what we're wanting to do. At Edge Hill, we've got over 60 different integrations currently, and a large proportion of those are in-house built. We need to move away from those. We need to look at the security of the systems, the security of our data, and we need to take more of a standardised approach. It's not just our bringing in a new student record system. It's not just our updating the system. We are looking to transform institutionally as a whole. We're wanting to review all of our processes, and we're wanting to improve the staff experience in particular, and also, of course, the student experience. Those two are so closely entwined together. So the entire transformation is very much what we're wanting to do and look at touch points, and to have an opportunity really, particularly post-COVID, to consider where we are and to consider how effective we're being, how efficient we're being, bring that all together alongside bringing in a new system. The Pro Vice Chancellor, the project sponsor, Liam Owens, has been talking to colleagues about how this is once in a generation, an opportunity for us to do that real review, something that colleagues have never seen in Edge Hill before. So it is really a very exciting time for us. In terms of advice that I'd give other institutions, I'd definitely advise them to start with as much planning as possible in advance. Obviously, we're very early on in our journey at the moment, so from that perspective, we're also seeking advice from other institutions. But thus far, it's very much about doing your research and thinking about the governance side of things. How much of a change it's going to be for the institution is massive as well. We're really lucky that we are starting to build a relationship with Ellucian's partner Portair. But separately to that, we've already made a start with regards to thinking about communications. We've brought in a change manager who's also going to look at business readiness as well, in order to make sure that with the process reviews that we're doing, we're going to get that sign off into the business, so that the new processes are fully rolled out and that the ownership is taken on by the SMEs too. So early engagement with the SMEs, I think we're already learning that perhaps it would have been useful to engage with some of those already before this point that we're at the moment, but we're developing the rapport and progressing that. I think in terms of what excites me personally, I've worked with Banner before. I'm really excited to be able to be part of the team that's bringing that into the institution. So having worked with a historical version of Banner, on-premise Banner, but know how much better some of the functionality is within that system, then to consider how much better we're going to be with regards to everything that the experience brings, everything that we're getting in terms of the security and so on by being SaaS. The opportunity to bring colleagues at Edge Hill along with that on that journey, and for us to then progress in terms of the sort of digital transformation.